Hi everybody, it's Mr. Brooks. This is going to be an intro video to your PBL for this unit for geometry, lines, and logic. I want to introduce you to Sketchup, and you guys might have already used this perhaps somewhere else in middle school, or maybe you've done it for fun. But the idea with this is to get you guys exposure to some other technology and to get you guys to do something creative and work with a program that uses these planes and lines and some of the vocabulary that we've gone over in this unit. So there's going to be two videos. I want you to watch this one. This is the first one, and then there's a second one on a tutorial. Take your time and watch it and practice. Don't rush through it. Really, I mean, the idea with this is that for some of you guys, you're going to like it. You're going to want to use this later on in life. So give it a fair shot. You might need to turn off your pop-up blocker, but I think that the company that bought SketchUp resolved this. So don't have to do this unless it doesn't work. There's a couple of helpful hints. You guys need to learn how to use, take a captured screenshot. So Control-Shift and this button right here on your Chromebooks, and you might have a different tool if you're not using a Chromebook. You will need a mouse. This is almost impossible without a mouse. If you need a mouse and you don't have one, then see me and I'll give you one. And then here's the instructions. Basically, watch the videos and then go practice on SketchUp first. You're going to turn in a Google Doc, and the Google Doc is going to have your screenshots on it. So you're not turning in your SketchUp file. It's very hard to transfer it in Google Drive, but you can certainly take a screenshot of it and put the screenshot on a Google Doc and turn that into Google Classroom. Okay, so the way we're going to do this is go to SketchUp free, and there's two versions, so you need to type in free in the search. Don't pay for it. if you do this wrong, it'll ask you to pay for it, and you don't need to pay for it. Okay, so should be the first one. It's going to take you to this Trimble website. I think Trimble is the company that bought it, and just click on Start Modeling, and you're going to see this. This means that it's loading onto your Chromebook. It's not downloading anything, but it is a web-based server. Okay, so I was just in it, so it says an unsaved model was recovered from your last session. You can save your work. I'm going to show you how to do this in a little bit. I'm going to say no and just start over. And then you'll see you have an account right here in Trimble Connected and all these. We'll start modeling. You can title this if when you save it. So, these are some of my other works that are saved or from past workshop projects, but I'd save this as Mr. Brooks project. You shouldn't have to turn this in, but I don't care. So this is SketchUp right here, and then you can go in and hit Save As and all these things, but you don't need to. There's also these tools right here, which are more the advanced tools. You feel free to use those for the number 3 assignment. And then over here, you've got these tools. And I want you to watch the other video because they do a really good job. But you'll basically, create your 3D models right here. And you'll use all these tools to kind of see what's going on. Okay. You can paint and draw and use this, push-pull thing. This one, I don't think that this tool is open to people anymore. So you can pay for it and get that, but you don't need to pay for it. Just use this square tool right here. It'll be fine. So, okay, well, that's how to do it. And I want you guys to take your time and learn. You have 3 days for the project. And by all means, let me know if you need anything, okay?